In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users in Pipedrive, a simple yet essential task for managing your team effectively. Pipedrive is a powerful sales CRM and pipeline management tool, and knowing how to add users can help you collaborate better with your team. Let's dive into the process. First, we need to access Pipedrive. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Pipedrive website. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you're on the page, locate the Login button. Clicking this will direct you to the login page. Enter your email and password, and then click Sign In to enter your Pipedrive account. If you're already logged in, you can simply skip this step. With access to your account, our next step is to head over to the Pipedrive Home. The Home dashboard is your central hub for navigating various Pipedrive features, including user management. It's essential to familiarize yourself with this interface, as it allows you to efficiently manage your sales pipeline and team collaboration. Now, find and click on Profile from the dashboard. This link is crucial as it provides access to your account settings where you can configure user roles and permissions. Once you are there, look for the Manage Users option. Selecting this will open up the User Management section where you can oversee all current users within your organization and perform actions like adding or removing them. All right, now let's focus on adding new users. Once in the Manage Users section, you'll find a button or link that prompts you to add a new user. Click on it to begin the process. It's important to note that only account administrators have the permission to add or manage users. So, make sure you have the necessary rights before proceeding. After clicking to add a user, you'll need to input the new user's email address. Take care to enter the correct email, as this will be where they receive their invitation. After typing in their email, assign them a role from the available options. Remember, roles determine the level of access and the specific functionalities each user will have. Assign roles based on the responsibilities and needs of each team member to ensure effective collaboration and security. Once you're satisfied with the input, click on the Add User or similar confirmation button. The new user will then receive an invitation to join your Pipedrive account via the email you provided. They can follow the instructions in the email to set up their account and start participating in managing your sales pipelines. And there you have it. Adding users in Pipedrive is straightforward once you understand the process, allowing you to expand your team and improve your workflow. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Pipedrive tips.